Today I'm gonna make you a cocktail called The Last Word. You might have heard of it. It's been pretty popular over the past 10 years or so, and it's one of my go-to cocktails when it comes to making a drink for somebody that says they don't like gin or they don't like gin-based cocktails for whatever reason. And I would say that, 99% of the times I'm able to win them over with this drink. In 1916, you could find The Last Word on the Detroit Athletic Club's cocktail menu for a whopping 35 cents. But unfortunately, like many classic cocktails, it fell off the map for several decades, and we have the Zigzag Cafe in Seattle to thank for bringing it back into the limelight in 2004, I believe. So the ingredients are Maraschino liqueur, which is made from Marasca cherries. To me, it doesn't really taste like cherries at all, this liqueur. It's definitely more aromatic, and it has like nutty flavors, almost vanilla notes to it. Funny story about this is when I started bartending, I would see this bottle like in the back of the bar somewhere, always dusty, and nobody honestly in Sweden at the time knew what to use this for because we weren't really making classic cocktails back then and there. But now I know. I know a lot of cocktails with this. Another thing about this is that it's actually pronounced maraschino, not maraschino like a lot of people say. I don't know, crazy, right? Just like bruschetta is not pronounced bruschetta, it's bruschetta. Am I right, Tony? Tony knows, Then we have green chartreuse. This is an herbaceous liqueur that is made by monks in France, and it dates back to, I would say, the 1600s. It contains about 130 botanicals, and the recipe is a secret only kept by 3 monks at a time. So I might seem super knowledgeable right now telling you all of this, but all this information is actually right here at the back of the bottle. But I knew it from before too, so Then we have a London dry gin. Any gin will do, preferably something that is a little bit stronger. This is 47% alcohol. And some fresh lime juice. And this is an avocado plant. All right, so let's do it. This recipe is super easy. It's equal parts of all ingredients, so, simple enough, right? Maraschino liqueur, 3/4 of an ounce. Green chartreuse, 3/4 of an ounce. My gin, 3/4 of an ounce. And the fresh lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce. And for now, we're just gonna let the avocado plant sit. I have the ice. I'm gonna give this a good hard shake. Marasca cherry, drop that in the bottom. And I'm gonna double strain this because I don't want any ice charts into the cocktail. Boom, there you have it. This is an excellent cocktail, and I dare anyone that says they don't like gin cocktails to try this. It's herbaceous, it's refreshing, it's citrusy, and it has that extra layer of complexity that you can't really put your finger on, but that's the maraschino playing in. But be careful with this cocktail because it's very deceiving. It's super easy drinking, it goes down easily, but it's almost all alcohol. And this gin is 47% alcohol. The green chartreuse is 55%. The maraschino here is 32%. What's that? 134% alcohol. That's a lot of alcohol. Maybe that's the reason why it's called The Last Word, because you'll have one of these in your... Anyway, if you find my videos somewhat educating and somewhat entertaining, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Es muy importante para mí. Cheers. When it comes to... that you can't put your finger on, but...